Evelyn. Evelyn is July 20. Oops, it's my finger. And you are almost 10 weeks old. You're playing your jungle. See? Seems to really like your jungle. Let's go into the jungle. Oops. There you are. Hi. Hi, there's a big smile. There's my girl. Yeah. Say hello. Okay. You're a big girl. Big girl inside the jungle. With the leaves. Evelyn, can you follow the camera? Too busy playing? Okay, that's enough.